Welcome to the Nature Roam in Akron. Today we're going to be hiking the 1.4 mile Seneca Trail, which is rated 2, moderate. That means it's got some hilly terrain.
Many parks exist due to the foresight of a few visionary individuals, including F.A. Seiberling. He donated more than 400 acres to expand Sand Run Metro Park. Additional land that he owned was purchased in 1964 to become the Nature Roam.
Early on in your hike, the Seneca Trail will intersect with several other trails, so be sure to follow the arrowhead icon throughout your hike today. Along Seneca Trail, you'll see lots of evidence that this was farmland before it became a metro park. For example, most of the trees you'll see are younger and of uniform size. The only larger trees you'll see are along the edges of ravines where they weren't going to farm, like this tulip tree behind me here. Also along the edges of the ravines, you'll see places where glacial boulders have been piled up. Farmers were removing them from their field and getting them to the field edge. About a third of the way through the hike, you'll find a spur trail off to the right-hand side. At the end of that is a bench and a scenic overlook overlooking the Sand Run Valley. As you continue along the trail, you'll pass through an old barn foundation that dates back to the early 1900s. More evidence that this was once farmland. At the top of the steepest hill, you'll come out into a field where seasonally you can enjoy wildflowers and bird and butterfly watching.
The trail eventually loops back to the visitor center. During your visit, take some time to explore the park's gardens, observation decks, ponds, and a tall grass prairie. To learn more about this trail, hike with a Metro Parks naturalist or visit our website, summitmetroparks.org.